We're both lost at a day. It's your reason. Pretty much similar. Harmless heartbreak. I don't wanna hear your thoughts. You don't wanna feel my skin. It's your reasons. You just wanna dream of sin. Sickness floating in our veins. Players in a spotlight game. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm still enjoying my privacy. A craving that is knocking you out. Just trading visions for my eyes. They got hunger when I'm not holding you tight. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Cause the distance feeds your limit, alright. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. It's sick and difficult, but we're not ashamed. Pretty damn mutual. We're not sentimental, no sentiments, no. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm still enjoying my privacy. A craving that is knocking you out. Just trading visions for my eyes. They got hunger when I'm not holding you tight. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Cause the distance feeds your limit, alright. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Your thoughts. You don't wanna feel my skin. You don't wanna feel my skin. You just wanna dream of sin. Sickness floating in our veins. Players in a spotlight game. So fancy when I'm in the spotlight. I'm still enjoying my privacy. A craving that is knocking you out. Just trading visions for my eyes. They got hunger when I'm not holding you tight. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Cause the distance feeds your limit, alright. I'm feeling your eyes and you love it. Sweetheart, do you wanna be mon mari? Oui, 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 ma whole vie. How hard can it be?
Hi guys, this is Irina. I'll post the tutorial just for a little bit to share some good news. You guys are the best, most supportive audience I could ever wish for. This is why I came up with a discount code for my amazing YouTube community. Use the 24 friends code and you'll get a 20% exclusive discount on all of my brush packs. Well, except the sparkle brush set cause that one is already free. Why am I so excited about my brushes? First of all, they are really good. Pretty much everything you need to create beautiful realistic illustrations in a matter of minutes. You'll find plenty of tutorials here on my YouTube channel to learn how you can draw all of these illustrations even if you're a Procreate beginner. I promise, these are the Procreate brushes you'll actually love to use.